Hello everyone! Welcome to Pages and Paces.
I'm Jenna.
And I'm Clarice. And this is Pages and Paces.
Stories we read.
The lives we live. We're just two friends who believe that every story, whether it's in a book or real life, has something to teach us.
And we're here to explore those stories together. Kasi we all go through different phases, and sometimes the pages we read help us make sense of the lives we're living.
Today, we're turning the first page. So grab your coffee or tea or whatever makes you comfortable and let's dive in.
Kamusta kayo? We're so excited na nandito kayo ngayon sa first episode namin. Kung hindi mo kailangang maging avid reader para makarelate ka dito, lahat tayo, di ba, may pinagdadaanan. May mga phases sa buhay, yung mga times na nag-grow ka, times na struggling, yung mga panahon ng pag-ibig, heartbreak, career changes, finding yourself.
Exactly. And whether you love books or hindi ka reader pero curious ka lang or kahit reluctant reader ka or sinasabi mo ba na, ay naku, ang boring ng pagbabasa, this podcast is for you. Kasi ang totoo, ang mga kwentong nababasa natin, they're just mirrors ng mga kwentong nire-relive natin sa buhay.
Tama. Pages we read, paces we live through. Yan yung heart ng podcast na to. Sometimes, yung mga libro lang yung nakakaintindi sa'yo. Minsan, yung character sa kwento mo lang, yung parang kaibigan mo sa moment na yun.
And we want to talk about that connection. Kasi life is a story and we're all turning pages every single day.
Ayan, so sino ba kami as a reader? Well, ako honestly, hindi ako yung tipo ng reader na nakaka-100 books a year. I'm just someone na nakakahanap ng comfort and wisdom sa mga salita. Whether sa books ba yan, sa quotes, or even conversations.
I love reading. Pero gets ko din yung feeling na intimidated sa books. Parang minsan ang hirap mag-start, lalo na kung marami kang responsibilities or kung feeling mo walang time. Pero through the years, na-realize ko na reading or even just being open to stories can really change how you see your own life.
We're not here to flex yung kung how many books yung nabasa namin or kung gaano kadip yung insights namin. We're here kasi we want to share what we're going through with life and we want to share our journey with you.
We're friends who love to talk and we realize bakit hindi natin i-share yung mga conversations natin, yung mga, uy, basahin mo to, relate na relate ka, or grabe yung quote na to, parang para sa akin.
Ayan, so naisip namin, let's create a space, a warm, no-judging space where we can all talk about books and life. Kahit hindi ka expert or kahit ngayon ka palang mag-start magbasa ng books ulit.
So what's our purpose dito sa Pages and Paces?
Simple lang, we want to connect yung pages na binabasa natin sa pace na pinagdadaanan natin. Kasi bawat pace ng buhay mo, may book or story na swak doon.
Broken-hearted ka? May libro para doon. Lost ka sa career? May kwento about finding purpose. Gusto mo mag-grow? May mga biographies na bagay sa journey mo ngayon.
Tama. Pero hindi lang to about books ha. Kahit non-reader ka, meron kang story. Meron kang paces. And we want to talk about those paces in a way na makakakonect ka through stories, lessons, and sometimes real talk.
We'll discuss books, yes, but also movies, personal experiences, current events, anything that reflects yung pace na pinagdadaanan natin as humans.
Oo, kasi alam mo, at the end of the day, we're all just trying to make sense of this life and stories help us do that.
So what can you expect sa mga susunod na episodes?
We'll explore different themes, love and relationship, family, dynamics, mental health, Filipino identity, finding your purpose, o kaya dealing with failure and celebrating growth.
We'll talk about local Filipino authors kasi sobrang underrated nila. And international books din na nag-viral or yung mga classics na dapat mo at least once na mabasa.
Ayan, and for those sa inyo na sinasabi na, ay, hindi talaga ako reader, okay lang. We'll share the lessons in a way na mai-inspire kang basahin yung book. Think of this as book therapy sessions na may real-life application.
We're also planning special episodes, maybe interviews with authors, readers, or even people going through interesting phases ng life nila.
Yes, plus fun segments like currently reading and for non-readers, currently experiencing. We're here to share what's keeping us busy or curious.
And pages and paces where we invite listeners to share their own stories. Kasi baka yung pace mo ngayon, yung pace na pinagdaanan or pinagdadaanan pa rin ng ibang tao.
Tama. Tayo-tayo lang to, guys. No pressure, just conversations, connection, and maybe a little bit of wisdom along the way. Now, since baguhan pa lang kami, we would absolutely love your support.
Kung may bookshop ka, cafe, library, or any beautiful location na you think would be perfect for our recordings, please reach out. Imagine us having these conversations sa space mo or surrounded by books and good vibes.
Yes, or kung you're an author, publisher, or brand na align sa mission na to, which is connecting stories to real life, we'd love to collaborate with you.
And to our listeners, kung may book recommendations kayo, may story na gusto ninyong i-share, or may topic na gusto ninyong pag-usapan, send them our way. This is our community. Hindi lang sa amin to, this is for all of us.
Yes, you can find all our contact details sa description below. Let's grow together, one pace at a time.
Before we end, gusto namin i-dedicate tong first episode, this first page ng journey na to sa lahat ng mga taong naghahanap ng comfort sa isang libro noong mahirap ang buhay. Sa mga taong hindi reader pero open pa rin sa stories, sa wisdom, sa connection.
And sa mga reluctant readers, kasi minsan di ba feeling nila, I'm not smart enough or hindi ko kaya. Alam mo, you are enough and there's a story waiting for you.
Sa lahat na nag-underline ng mga sentences, sa mga naglalagay ng mga mark sa mga pages at umiiyak sa isang character parang totoo.
Yes, sa mga nasa difficult phase ngayon, yung feeling ninyo wala kayong kasama, you are not alone. May story for you and may chapter na dadating na mas maganda.
And sa lahat ng naniniwala na words have power, the stories can heal, na life is just a series of beautiful, painful, hopeful pages na ito-turn natin every single day.
This is for you. This is for us. This is for everyone navigating their own story. Until next time, keep reading.
Or just keep living, keep turning those pages. This is Pages and Paces. See you on the next page.